高雄教区大寮圣尼古拉堂，台湾高雄市大寮区中信村中正路4号 presents the certificate of appreciation to Mr. Jordan Lin Shiling for his active involvement in organizing the 2014 St. Nicholas Parish Summer Sports Fest and facilitated its successful completion. Mr. Lin's abiding presence throughout the sports Sundays, namely April 27, May 4, May 11, and May 18 of sports competition, his words of wisdom which inspired players and non-players alike, and his outstanding example of leadership and friendship are worth treasuring and emulating. May God bless him and all his endeavors. Given this 18th of May in the year of our Lord 2014 at Tafa Industrial Park Service Center. Signed, Reverend Father Joel Vigilla, OAR, 代建福神父 Parish Priest of St. Nicholas of Tolentine Parish, 主任士多天主教高雄教区大寮圣尼古拉堂。Let us thank Mr. Jordan Lee. Thank you very much. Okay, palakpakan po natin ulit Mr. Jordan Lee.
Congrats, sir.
Our next